Niggas pistol popping like it's 1999. I was 9, maybe 10, then again, never mind. Press rewind, back in time, before rappers dropping dimes. Trap or die, chopping pies, with cliches all in they rhymes. Now it's Gucci, Prada, anything designer. Money, power, the whole enchilada. Commas, dollars, rings in the guava. They serve you to the blocker. If you disrespect that blocker, block the dollars in the gobble. They hate a lot, but you love them, got it.